Mberi na nwoke no bia n'ihu ọta ya nga ya na agnarị ka akịrị tentelentelen ote ka ọ na-agbaka mgbirimegwu witururu maji congregation eche na maybe ọwụ pastor hụrụ ụmụaka n'anya ma na nwoke asize group ha nwa 14 years asọ otu ọnụ hụ ga-asị nwoke na ogirishi tụtụrụ nwa obere nwa 14 years rụọ nọ ya tren rụọ nọ nwatakịrị tren gba nwatakịrị gbaja ya gba ya gwụgwọ ụmụnne bụ nwatakịrị nne ya di ga-ebịa ga-azụta ihe ya na-aga nwa mpagha nwaanyị ma ibe ya ele nwa ya hụ na ihe dị wrong Joyce ọ gịnị wakama nwatakịrị gbughere were aka oyibo ozugbo kọwara nwanne ihe mere na okwu na orukwele nna nwatakịrị ntị as a member of the church nna ya kpọwa ya jioji nwatakịrị nọkwa na media department kpọwa this pastor jioji si na ya bịa kpọrọ nwa ya ga-agaghị treat ya na nwa ya needed medical attention na o mere ihe o mere na ọ bịa kpọrọ nwa ya ga-agaghị treat ya na ya achọghị iluzu nwa ya eme ntị ka ọnụ hoji this man may ignore the man aga na Agwagwalada police station ga make entry abịa mee the pastor arrest o weta aka na mgbede ya ha na ya na bel ya wọ a free man neighbors asị gịnị ọ wee jinye ego ọkọ gịnị ha ebe gbakoso mba atụ ego sa ga-agụ isiokwu kele ha move duru this man ntara gị nọ na CID kpam eme ke ntara rute na CID onye a werere okwu akpa ya n'aka nwanyị the woman as the same man na this particular man case ya the three nọ here aka na akọntu the woman sị gịnị the same person the same pastor ọ gịnị ka a na-akọ na case ya ka nọ ebe a na-ajụba oyi aka na amaghị ọnụ a minor na one married woman plus kelugbe wetaghere nwa 14 years ya wa abụọ 3 cases n'isi ofu onye mba police officers niile nọ na Agwagwalada awụchasịa n'ọfịs this woman na-arịọ ya si ya biko mee nwapụ okwu aka nwaanyị si enweghị ike ime ya polisi ka ya onwe ya the pastor ji agaga arịọla this woman nwaanyị si laila ya ihe dị otu na okwu a na ya ga-ahụ ishie ọ wee ebe a ka okwu nọ na imagine pastor here pastor defense team ya ma policemen o use magazine petition edegezi n'ishi nwa 14 years na o nwere 2 boyfriends already before pastor aga ihe ahụ wa akụkọ nwa 14 years a minor onye kwesịrị ịzọ nwatakịrị kwesịrị ịnọchi anya godfather na ihe onye ma parents this game magazine na-elekwasị anya both the congregation church congregation members na-elekwasị anya kọga akụkọ that na ya nwa ya tara ya na nwa bụkwele 2 boyfriend nwa 14 years pastor na nwunye ka ishi aha ya wụ na-esi ya ka o problem dị iche iche allegation dị iche iche bụ nwaanyị with ụmụ ya ka abụọ ya na-ebi na awụ nwunye mmadụ pụtara from marriage ya kpekpekpero ka ewe agata second wife ya ka ya na ya bụ obi na ahụsọ ka abụọ second wife ya wagata ya nwa wụ the same pastor na agbụgbọrịkwa junior sister ya ọ ihe segara ya na agata ya for second wife ya ugwu na ka current issue nọ na the family biko leruo nwa anya you can imagine ụmụaka age a ka ewu na-apụtala enwe ndị ka etukwuru wit ihe this man mere ha na ga-enweba onye mana enwe ndị ọ na-abụ ya na ha na-agba uri n'ọta wururu ụmụazị enwe ya gama na akịrị na ihe ọ na size west ruru ụmụaka ka o lere anya ya ekegbuo ya shebaga n'ime ọjọọ gaga taa ụmụnne m aga m agbara ọnụ voice nwunye ka ụnụ ji ntị ọnụ gere ihe nwaanyị jiri ọnụ kwu onye ha ọnụ
Emma just dey deceive now. Yeah, God, you know, last way must do fasting. First way be say na I see they wake up in the night, but in short, they even wake me so that's 4. Ma go cook for her. Now she level here well. Me they go cook. All that time they do fasting every January. Yeah, pull a day in moto. Person go eat finish, they deceive himself. One day I tell her, say wait if he eat finish, go carry water, wash him mouth. He go tell me say him mouth dey smell. Hi, Jesus. I go say, guy, he go call the altar. They do, oh Jesus. Hi. Because they do face for now. How many people fasted? He must say do 3 days dry fasting. I'm a lie, no good. The day where God go disgrace Jesus. The whole rapper they go dey sell for that market no go fit cover your nakedness. Amos ain't do fast 21 days. Amos. They talk, I know since I go they laugh. Sometimes I go laugh, I go enter office, I go say, God, forgive this man. Oh. Forgive this man. God may no go collapse for what I cause of lie. Oh. No more. Me, even anointed self do fast pass Amos. No money where you know they see Mama Rejoice. Egg grow 4 every day. As we just they come, she don't they follow us with egg grow. Later, Amos can say, why me at the alarm Mama Rejoice they put them for this thing they waka like that. Me I know that if people see them, they go to say na the anointed they eat them now. He say na lie. Hiya. Okay, una daddy. For oh Jesus, God, I thank you for life, for the gift of life. This lady don't marry. Agatha, you know, see wedding ring for her hand. The one girl say if you even know, the girl say wonder shall never end. The girl say Jesus. Agatha went for Catholic church for a woman. Him and the husband be there where self is Port Harcourt. As they say they no reach either 1 year, be 2 years in that marriage. Now the marriage scatter. They say Agatha pack the man or if the property. He carry a go village, go drop for village. Say even the man car, Agatha carry am. They say because he family, the papa na Abalis. They say the father name is BJ, that they call her. They say when you enter a woman, you say BJ family. Say people they run from that family. Amos, they accuse una, say una they sleep with him. He don't sleep. So they say, God take catch am. He don't go, Agatha, he sleep with Agatha's sister. That Agatha's sister, they come church. Now that one with me, self, they get wahala that time. Because that one, they even find am come house. Before this Agatha. You see am now, ba? Even as we did like they forget that they still they get crash. Because now the junior sister, Amos, the friend before. Now I can go mad. No worry. Yeah. Hey, I wish you fit get this Igbo woman number. This Rejoice Wachuku. Just go meet her because the woman as anybody come up for that ministry don't get liberation forever. He say she should not know say na bondage. Make the woman show you many dreams where she don't dream. No what the day where I go see you, I go show you plenty evidence wetin must they send for me, but God they kill them. He go send scorpion they waka for my body like they no fit take me. Not be small thing, but as today. A day, he must go marry or marry before. He go marry Agatha. They don't marry husband before wed for church. That's why they no fit do wedding now. That's why they no fit do white wedding. Remember, God go expose them. My tears no go drop in vain. The pains are passed through for him must have because since 2019, me don't they start that life. Nobody believe me. Me where they house, now me know they inch me. Now the time be this. They say 1,000 years for the devil, but a day for God. God not they disgrace. No, go see, you go see liberation where you go get now. You go see how God go dey open door. You say if you go eat belle full. Because person go church, you go call they think, hey, which one they go talk today now? Nobody they even think about the word of God again. They must not know any Bible. They deceive people. God go catch them. Thank you, Jare. Send them more. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you so much for what you say today. Amos, you begged me, and you use God where they heaven. You use and beg me. I accept. You say go and beg Rhoda, go and beg Esther, go and beg Jacob, go and beg my father for village. Mercy did it. And my children know where I bring them come. I enter Okada. It's not that you have bicycle when I marry you. I suffer the children enter Okada, come specialists. You still tell me to put them for Okada, come church. I still enter Okada, come the church. You still tell me make I enter the Okada, go back to specialists. And I look the stress of the children before I can go specialist, begin the waka waka. I go my house to beg you. Because you have been lying that I've never begged you. You are standing in the altar of God, lying against mercy. Even if they do you, you no remember wetin mercy suffer for you. You have lied, you have painted me black in Gwagwalada, in the church there. The church that we started together, we suffer it together. Amos, God in heaven, except if God dey sleep, na e no go disgrace your tongue. Except if this God wey dey sleep, na im disgrace no go come for the tongue wey use lie against my head. You lie for my head that I poison you. You lie all manner of lie for my head. Amos, I come your house, I come beg you. If no be beg, I carry this twist put for rain, beg you. May God never give me wetin I dey find. But if na beg, I come beg you, and you lie this lie today for church. You lie this lie, you lie today for church. God in heaven will judge you. I thought your begging was genuine. I thought your coming was genuine. But God, where dey throne, will surely prove himself. My tears that you caused me, getting to 2 years now, you are be causing tears in my eye. Amos, these tears will fight you. These tears, God will use it to all the days of your life. God will judge you. Except I am not serving a living God. I no get sisters to call. I no get brothers to call. And I no get idol to call. And I no get any spiritual person to call. But I have Jesus, the one on the throne. Na him I go call. He go judge this matter. And he go judge you. He go judge you. My tears wey dey comot since morning, he go judge you. Except if I come to fight you. Except if I insulted you. Except if I did not kneel down for you, I say, there, sorry. That is where your lie tongue today go help you. But if na come, I come in peace with Peter and Paul, you lie for our head. The God of Peter and Paul will judge you. The God of these innocent children, where una don dey suffer them from 3 months, these children has been in sufferness, that their God will judge you. Amos, except no be mercy wey stand for you in the time of trial, except no be mercy wey stand for you before ministry stand, except no be you and this mercy dey go bush go pray together. That is where you go succeed all this lie where you dey lie for my head. But if na the same mercy be this, Amos, you will regret in life. My tears will judge you. My tears will judge you. My tears will judge you. The same tongue you use and lie against me in the altar of God today, that tongue will disgrace you. You go use this same lie, you go use and paint yourself black. That tongue where you use lie against me and these innocent children you put for rain, he go judge you. Except if no be you dey beg me, make I come beg your people. Except if no be beg, I come house, come beg you. Now you be all this lie where you lie today, you lie, call my brothers, lie for them. I forgive you, you still go to the altar of God today. God will judge you. God in heaven will judge you. God in heaven will not give you peace. Anything you are doing on this earth, as far as devil has provoked evil lie into your mouth, and you did not care to pray for yourself, and they run around, they pray for you, how this load go come off for your head? Load of lie go come off for your head. But you put everything, you say they painted me black. Now yourself you paint black, and your agent now you paint black. God in heaven will judge you this afternoon. Except if mercy come to the house and I fight you. Except I come to fight you or to insult you. That is when this lie, it go sweet for your mouth to dey go. But if I come to beg you, and the children they sick, and you pursue us put for rain, God in heaven will judge you.